YouTube channel. It's me Minakshi, and before I just get in today's video, I just want to talk about something. The people who are following me on Instagram, they might know about it, but still, for those people who are viewing my channel and are confused about my new look, so this is because I recently got married few months back and from now on this is my new look, जिसके बारे में मैं किसी और वीडियो में बात करूँगी. So now let's just focus on today's video, which is going to be on my summer skincare routine, and उसी की वजह से you can see my face without makeup. This is one of the most requested video, so I thought why not make it. First of all, let's just get our hair back.
Oh yeah.
First of all, I like to clean my face, for which I'll be using the micellar cleaning water by Simple. You don't always need to use it to remove your makeup. You can use it to clean your face from any dirt and whatsoever. I just take a cotton pad and put the product like so and just clean my face. So after all that cleaning, the next step is to use a good face wash. You can use any face wash that suits you, but I personally have started using this one by Biotique, and this is their Bio Papaya face wash. This face wash is for all skin types, so anybody having dry, oily combination skin can use this. I have a combination skin and this I have been using since past 3 months, and this is my second bottle and I am loving this so much. Papaya is actually very good for your skin. It brightens up your skin, removes any kind of dry flaky patches on your face. Also, the best part, this is organically pure and preservative free and was not tested on animals. I have just wet my face and now will apply the product. I have taken this much. This actually has very tiny base. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they are very tiny. It works as a gentle scrub too if you're using daily. I'm just applying it all over my face in circular motion. Also, you might have seen that this doesn't foams that much, but that doesn't mean it doesn't clean your face. It definitely does. So I'll just wash my face and come back. So I just wash my face and it feels so clean. You can also see that it has definitely brightened the face. It has also worked on my blackheads and whiteheads. It feels very soft, trust me. Once you use this, you will see it for yourself that it works wonders. The next step is to scrub your face, for which I'll be using the Biotique Tan Removal Scrub. And no, this is not a sponsored video, so don't think that Biotique has sponsored me for this product. I have discovered them by myself. So this is also their papaya scrub only, and similar to the face wash, this is also organically pure and preservative free. This is one product that you definitely need in the summers, because obviously the sun is so harsh, your skin is tortured, it gets tan and you have to remove it. This is best for that. So before the second wave of COVID, we actually went to Goa and पता नहीं था लॉकडाउन हो जाएगा. I didn't get tan that much, but yeah, थोड़ा इफेक्ट तो पड़ता ही है. So I got tan over here on my face and on my arms, and after coming back मुझे इतना टाइम भी नहीं मिला कि मैं पार्लर जाके डी-टैन कराऊँ. So I just thought let's do something at our home itself. So this has really helped me to get rid of the flakiness over here that I experienced after the sunburn. So for using this also, you need to wet your face, take a decent amount on your fingers. Guys, I just want to mention one thing, that while using a scrub, don't apply too much pressure on your skin, otherwise you will end up having bumps and rashes on your skin and redness all over, because scrubs has those tiny beads that actually exfoliates your skin. So be gentle with that. About scrub, you should actually use it once a week, not more than that, or else like maximum twice if it's necessary, because it exfoliates your skin and that's not required every day. I have applied it all over my face. I'll just wash my face and come back. So we are done washing our face and you can see it for yourself. My face feels so clean and brightened up, and also you can see that it has worked so well on my nose too. Also, I forgot to mention one thing, that never use scrub around your eye area, because this is very sensitive part, so you don't want that exfoliation around this area. And if you have tan on your face and first time if you apply it, you might feel little burning sensation around your cheeks or wherever you have tan, and that's perfectly normal. Don't get scared. But yeah, I would definitely advise you to do a patch test on yourself before trying it on your face. So next is masking, and for that I'll be using the Multani Mitti by Banjara. So this particular box has 5 packets inside. I want to tell one thing about masking. I don't mask every day and it's not required to. If you do it once a week, that's enough. But it depends that if you want to do it twice a week, that's all your choice. But once a week is enough. So I have taken this much. और अभी भी इस पैकेट में बचा हुआ है. You can use this with plain water. You can add gram flour, yogurt, rose water, anything. That's completely your choice, whatever you want. I'll just mix water in it and make a paste. So this is what it looks like. You can mix water as per your requirement, but ज़्यादा पतला भी मत कर देना, नहीं तो वो आपके चेहरे से टपक टपक के नीचे गिरेगा. Have applied it all over my face. I'll just wait for it to dry and come back. But before I go, I just want to mention some few things about Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti is actually very good if you use it during summer because it's very cooling. It will give you that cooling effect. It helps in removing your uneven skin tone. Also, it gives good texture to your skin. All I want to say, it's perfect for summers. You should once give it a try. Okay, so the mask is dried now. It took around 20 to 25 minutes to fully dry. So I had taken a damp cloth. You can just go ahead and wash your face. I like to do it this way. So this is my face after the mask and it feels so clean. And can we take a moment and appreciate the glow? For masking, Multani Mitti is very good if you're using it in summers. I actually have 2 variants of this. This was the original pack, which is Multani Mitti, the regular one, and this the sandal one. I haven't used this one till now, so yeah, you can definitely go ahead and buy these. They are so affordable. Then after all that masking and scrubbing, you want to use a good toner for your face. So the one which I'm using today is by Biotic again, which is their Bio Cucumber Toner, and this is suitable for normal to oily skin. For a perfect skincare routine, you must include a toner. It's very necessary. So I'm gonna take little bit. You can just take it on your palm and apply it on your face. That's also works. Dab it all over my skin. Toner actually helps to close all those open pores and it maintains the pH balance of your skin. And for summers, anything which has cucumber, it's very good for your skin. It's very cooling, it's very soothing. Who doesn't want that? You know what, I'll just take a little more on my palm and apply it. Now it's time for the moisturizer, and the one which I'm using nowadays is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I don't know what it is about the Pond's moisturizer. They are really so good and perform so well. This is actually so good for summers. It's very lightweight. It won't make your face greasy. Talking of that, this moisturizer also works for all skin types. But in case you have extra oily skin, I have another option for you, which is their Super Light Gel. This has hyaluronic acid and vitamin A in it. This has a gel-like consistency. I actually finished it, so I don't have anything to apply on my face, and it's not like it's only for people with oily skin. Even I like to use it a lot. It's perfect because it has hyaluronic acid, which is amrit for your skin. If you want to try one of these, do try the gel one. It has actually everything that you'll need from a moisturizer in summer. After the moisturizer comes the most important product that you have to include in your summer routine is a sunscreen. You really have to include this in your skincare routine. Whether you're going out or you're staying indoors, that doesn't matter. The one which is my favorite and I always like to use is by L'Oreal Paris. It's the UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence Sunscreen, and this is so good. If you want to invest in one sunscreen, then this is it. Get this and you're sorted. इसमें आपको बिल्कुल कंजूसी नहीं करनी है. इसे अच्छे से अपने सारे फेस पे लगाना है. And lastly, I like to apply a good lip balm. Your lips also need a good care. So that's all what I do for my skincare in summer. If you guys have any other tips you want to tell me, you can please comment down below. I would really like to read them. I really love all these products, but if I have to recommend you a few, then it would be the face wash, the scrub, and the sunscreen. So that's all for today's video, and if you're using any of these products, let me know how it's performing for you. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye. Can't even see that I have applied all over my face. Must that you use a sunscreen.